I'm here at my buddy's house getting a few things done to my truck this weekend, but he has a soft topper he is installing on his second gen Tacoma. You can see right back here, so I figured why not do a quick video showing you how to install a soft topper on a second gen Tacoma. This is a 2005 access cab long bed that has been bobbed 14 inches.
Bobbed!
So we were actually installing a short bed soft topper on his Tacoma now.
Dude, because like I was saying, this is for the third gen curve, which may end up working in my favor.
I guess we'll find out. Yeah, so what we were saying off camera, he got this soft topper used on, Facebook or Tacoma World, somewhere like that, and I brought it down for him. It's for a third gen Tacoma, which has this curved bar at the back.
And for the short bed third gens, have this curved bar to accommodate the large tailgate on the third gens.
Because the tailgate's different shape on the third gens.
But other than that, the topper is the same.
And you said you ordered one of just this bar from Soft Topper for the second gens.
So the straight version of this bar and the brackets that go with it was like $30 shipped.
Okay, not too bad.
No.
Yeah, so obviously first step, get those sidebars in place. And like I mentioned, you said you chopped 14 inches out of your bed?
Right, so I think I'm 1 inch longer than
a short bed, which I think is 60 inches, so you're at like 61.
Right, but it should be close enough. And it looks like these fit on here pretty perfectly.
Yeah. All right, so you got 4 of these, I guess the bed rail clamps that you can see go on top of the actual soft topper rail. Tighten down the bolt to secure that to the rails. And there's no like T-nut or anything that goes behind there?
No, so this
just goes right in the rail right there with like the L bracket there.
Right, this is one big hunk of aluminum.
Yeah, that's cool.
It slides right in, and then this is all threaded through, and it pulls up against it. Yeah.
So you can mount those on there wherever you want.
Right. Yeah.
So because you have stuff in the middle, you can go around that without worrying about it.
You don't have to take it out or anything.
That's nice. And once you get all 4 of the brackets in place, 14mm socket to tighten those down to hold the bars in place. Okay, so what you saw us struggling with is there's a hole on the side of the middle here of the bracket, and you just slide that over on both ends on the pin right there. This side was stuck for some reason, and that gets it in place, and as you can see, already slid in the backward position, I guess, and then you just, pull it forward, and it locks into place.
Pick the whole thing up, and there you go, and you start snapping stuff in place.
Very cool. It looks cool even when it's like that,
Yeah, that's safari mode.
Yeah.
That's why this one's like nice doing sometimes. If you know it's not gonna rain or anything, just put the sides up.
It's like a little quick tarp almost.
Yeah, exactly.
It doesn't look like this one you got's too old either, like the canvas is still in good condition.
Right.
No stains or anything.
Windows are still pretty seasoned, and the straps. That way the straps aren't like holding all that tension.
Yeah.
And you just kind of like mess around with it and get it so it's all nice and tight and even, not all wrinkly and weird.
Right.
So you snap these on and then try and get it adjusted fairly evenly, and then you can start snapping the sides down.
What, like 5 snaps per side or 6?
Hard to tell with this driveway. It's good to do it on a warm day like right now because it helps keep the canvas
pliable.
More pliable.
Yeah.
A little easier to work with.
Well, it is definitely warm today.
Yeah. That is for sure.
And humid.
I
like it. It looks mean with the bobbed bed.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
And with like the back of the soft topper slanted, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that.
It almost looks like a Humvee style, like military.
I'm only borrowing your Humvee.
So
going on patrol. I like it.
I think for now, since I don't have the right bar, that's what's great about these toppers is they're so versatile. Is I've done this in the past. So you basically just remove this window.
Fold it up. Oh, I didn't even know that tore off. That's cool.
Yeah. So now I can have my tailgate up, and then still just like toss in, reach stuff in and out, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
But still have mostly protection from the elements.
And that is pretty much it. After you get all the straps and the buttons adjusted there, Softopper installed, and what, real time it took 10 minutes, and most of that was because I couldn't get the pin in on the passenger side. Alright guys, and that is it for the whirlwind tour of the Softopper install on a 2nd gen Tacoma. Comment below, let me know what you think. I personally love the Softopper. If I wasn't set on maybe adding another like metal bed rack to my truck, I would probably go this route myself. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.